The 2007 Cayman. The design of the Cayman models is benefiting of their distinctive sporty character. Their performance potential is obvious at first sight, for these are true specimens of force and athleticism. Individual styling features help to define the Cayman so impressively and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, traction control, air conditioning, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, keyless entry, four-wheel disc brakes, cruise control, universal garage door opener, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, bucket seats, power windows, fog lamps, trip computer, CD player, security system. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.